Welcome to our exploration of the best places to visit in South Africa. This vibrant country is a treasure trove of diverse attractions and breathtaking landscapes that cater to every type of traveler. From the stunning coastlines of the Garden Route to the majestic mountains of the Drakensberg, South Africa offers a rich tapestry of experiences that are sure to captivate your imagination. Imagine standing in awe at the iconic Table Mountain, or embarking on a thrilling safari in Kruger National Park, where you can witness the Big Five in their natural habitat. The cultural richness of cities like Cape Town and Johannesburg invites you to delve into the history and traditions that shaped this nation. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through South Africa's most remarkable destinations, highlighting unique experiences that you won't want to miss. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a history buff, or simply looking to relax on pristine beaches, South Africa has something special for everyone. So let's dive in and discover the wonders that await you in this incredible country. Cape Town is truly a coastal gem, renowned for its stunning beauty and vibrant attractions. At the heart of the city lies the iconic Table Mountain, a flat-topped marble that offers breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Whether you choose to hike up its trails or take the cable car, the experience is unforgettable. Just a stone's throw away is the bustling V&A waterfront, where you can shop, dine and soak in the lively atmosphere. This area is also a gateway to cultural experiences, such as a poignant visit to Robben Island, where Nelson Mandela was imprisoned. It's a powerful reminder of South Africa's history and resilience. For those who love the outdoors, Cape Town is a paradise. You can relax on beautiful beaches like Camps Bay or indulge in thrilling water sports. Wine enthusiasts will delight in the nearby Cape Winelands, where you can tour picturesque vineyards and savor exquisite local wines. With its blend of natural beauty, rich culture, and endless activities, Cape Town is a destination that promises unforgettable memories. Welcome to Kruger National Park, a premier safari destination that promises an unforgettable wildlife experience. Spanning nearly 2 million hectares, this vast park is home to the legendary Big Five lions, leopards, elephants, rhinos, and buffalo. Each of these magnificent animals roams freely across diverse ecosystems, from savannas to dense bushveld, providing visitors with incredible opportunities for wildlife sightings. When it comes to exploring the park, you have a variety of safari options. Guided tours led by experienced rangers offer in-depth knowledge and a chance to spot elusive wildlife, while self-drive safaris allow you the freedom to navigate the park at your own pace. Whichever option you choose, the thrill of encountering wildlife in their natural habitat is unmatched. As you embark on your adventure, it's essential to remember the importance of conservation and responsible tourism. Supporting local initiatives and respecting wildlife habitats ensures that future generations can enjoy the beauty of Kruger National Park. So gear up for an exhilarating journey into the heart of South Africa's wilderness, where every moment is a chance to connect with nature. The Garden Route is one of South Africa's most breathtaking scenic drives, showcasing a stunning array of landscapes that will leave you in awe. Stretching along the southern coast, this route is dotted with charming towns and natural wonders. Key stops include Knysna, famous for its picturesque lagoon and lush forests, and Plettenberg Bay, known for its beautiful beaches and vibrant marine life. Don't miss Tsitsikamma National Park, where dramatic cliffs meet the ocean, offering some of the most spectacular views in the country. Outdoor enthusiasts will find plenty to do along the Garden Route. Hiking trails wind through ancient forests and along rugged coastlines, while adrenaline seekers can experience the thrill of bungee jumping from the Bloekrans Bridge, one of the highest in the world. For a more relaxed adventure, whale watching in Plettenberg Bay during migration season is an unforgettable experience. The region's natural beauty and biodiversity are truly remarkable, with diverse ecosystems ranging from coastal fynbos to lush forests. Whether you're seeking adventure or tranquility, the Garden Route offers a perfect blend of experiences that celebrate the splendor of South Africa's landscapes. Johannesburg, often referred to as Jozi, is the vibrant heart of South Africa, pulsating with rich culture and a complex history. A visit to the Apartheid Museum is essential for understanding the country's past, offering powerful insights into the struggle for freedom and equality. Just a short drive away lies Soweto, a township that played a pivotal role in the anti-apartheid movement, where you can explore historical sites and experience the spirit of resilience and community. The city is also a thriving hub for the arts, boasting a dynamic art scene that includes galleries, street art, and cultural festivals. Markets like the Neighbour Goods Market showcase local crafts, delicious cuisine, and the creativity of Johannesburg's residents. As the sun sets, the nightlife comes alive with an array of bars, clubs, and live music venues that reflect the city's diverse influences. Johannesburg is a true cultural melting pot, where various traditions and backgrounds converge, creating a unique atmosphere that celebrates diversity. Whether you're exploring its history or enjoying its contemporary offerings, Josi promises an enriching experience that captures the essence of South Africa. Welcome to Durban, a coastal paradise known for its stunning beaches and warm, inviting climate. With miles of golden sands along the Indian Ocean, Durban is the perfect destination for sun seekers and water sports enthusiasts alike. The famous Golden Mile stretches along the beachfront, offering a vibrant promenade filled with restaurants, shops, and entertainment options, making it a lively hub for both locals and visitors. Durban is also celebrated for its rich Indian culture, which has significantly influenced the city's identity. This cultural blend is most evident in its cuisine, with dishes like bunny chow, a delicious hollowed-out loaf of bread filled with spicy curry, being a must-try for any food lover. The city's bustling markets and eateries provide a feast for the senses, showcasing the flavors and aromas of Indian culinary traditions. For family-friendly fun, Ushaka Marine World is a top attraction featuring an aquarium, water park, and thrilling marine shows. With its unique blend of attractions, cultural richness, and beautiful coastal scenery, Durban offers an unforgettable experience that captures the essence of South Africa's diverse heritage. The Drakensberg Mountains, often referred to as the Dragon Mountains, are a breathtaking natural wonder that showcases some of South Africa's most stunning landscapes. Towering peaks, dramatic cliffs, and lush valleys create a picturesque backdrop for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. The region is home to a variety of hiking trails, ranging from leisurely walks to challenging treks, all offering spectacular views and the chance to explore the area's unique rock art, which dates back thousands of years. The biodiversity of the Drakensberg is remarkable, with a rich array of flora and fauna, including rare plant species and diverse wildlife. Outdoor activities abound, from hiking and rock climbing to bird watching and horseback riding, making it a paradise for adventure seekers. Beyond its natural beauty, the Drakensberg Mountains hold significant cultural importance for local communities, particularly the Zulu people. The mountains are steeped in history and tradition, serving as a source of inspiration and spirituality. Whether you're seeking adventure or a deeper connection to nature and culture, the Drakensberg Mountains offer an unforgettable experience that celebrates the majesty of South Africa's landscapes. In this video, we've taken you on a journey through some of South Africa's most incredible destinations, showcasing the diversity of experiences this vibrant country has to offer. From the stunning landscapes of Cape Town and the thrilling wildlife encounters in Kruger National Park to the cultural richness of Johannesburg and the breathtaking beauty of the Drakensberg Mountains, each location presents unique adventures waiting to be explored. We encourage you to venture out and discover these remarkable places for yourself, whether it's hiking the trails of the Garden Route, savoring local cuisine in Durban, or immersing yourself in the history of Soweto. South Africa is a land of endless possibilities, and your next adventure is just around the corner. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts. Your support helps us continue to bring you exciting insights and tips for exploring the world. Thank you for joining us, and we can't wait to see where your travels take you next.
Do you want to save big on your next adventure? Watch this video right here. It's basically a free training. See you there.